Welcome to Belly Breath, your sanctuary for calming the mind and nourishing the soul. Before we dive into today's meditation, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you help others find peace and balance in their lives, just like you're about to. Now let's begin. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and let go of any tension in your body. If you need a moment, feel free to pause the video and return when you're ready to continue. Now, bring your awareness to the space around you. Feel the air on your skin, the ground beneath you, and the quiet stillness that surrounds you. As you become more aware, allow yourself to drift inward into the vast inner landscape that is your mind and soul. Notice the subtle sensations in your body. Perhaps the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath, or the warmth of your hands resting on your lap. There's no need to judge or analyze these feelings. Simply observe them as they are, like a soft breeze passing by. As you tune into your body, imagine yourself standing in a peaceful forest at dawn. The air is cool, and the first rays of sunlight are beginning to filter through the trees. The earth beneath your feet is firm yet soft, grounding you to the energy of the earth. The scent of pine and fresh leaves fills the air, bringing a sense of calm and renewal. With each breath, imagine you're drawing in the fresh, revitalizing energy of the forest. Feel it filling your lungs and spreading throughout your entire body, rejuvenating every cell. As you exhale, let go of any tension, stress, or worries, allowing them to dissolve into the earth beneath you. In this tranquil setting, take a moment to appreciate the miracle of your breath. Each inhalation brings life-giving oxygen into your body, while each exhalation releases what no longer serves you. Reflect on the simple yet profound breathing. It's a gift, a connection between you and the world around you. Now, imagine a soft, golden light shining down from above, gently bathing you in its warmth. This light represents the energy of the universe, the life force that animates all living things. Feel this light entering your body, merging with your breath, and nourishing your soul. As you bask in this golden light, imagine your inner self awakening, as if you're seeing the world for the first time. Let this fresh perspective wash over you, bringing a sense of wonder and gratitude for everything you are and everything you have. Allow yourself to feel the deep connection between your physical body and your higher self. This connection is a source of great love, balance, and harmony. Feel the love that your physical body has for your soul, and the love that your soul has for your body. Let this love fill every part of your being. Take a few moments to simply be in this space of love and connection. Feel how your entire being is embraced by the universe, how you're supported, and how you are a vital part of the greater whole. As you begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, affirm to yourself, I am here, I am present within myself. Feel this affirmation resonate through your entire being, grounding you in your body and in the now. If it feels right, take a deep breath in, expanding your chest and stomach fully. Hold the breath for a moment, feeling the energy within you, and then exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. begin to move your fingers and toes, gently bringing yourself back to the world around you. Roll your shoulders, stretch your arms, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If you found peace and clarity in this practice, please like, share, and subscribe to Belly Breath. Your support helps us continue to create more content for you and others seeking calm and balance. Until next time, stay present, stay peaceful, and keep breathing deeply